In today's video, I will show you step by step how to buy VTSAX using Vanguard. To start this process, log into your Vanguard account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the tab that says Transact, then Buy and Sell. Type in VTSAX for the ticker symbol, then click Get Quote. Just note there is a $3,000 investment minimum. So if you don't have this much at the current moment, what you can do instead is invest in VTI, which is the ETF version of VTSAX. This ETF has no minimum, so you can start with whatever amount you would like. Once you have $3,000 invested into VTI, then you can sell all your shares of VTI and then buy VTSAX instead. Assuming you have $3,000 to invest into VTSAX, we can go back here. Click buy, select the account you want to buy VTSAX in. I'll just do my Roth IRA account for this example. Here we can specify the amount of VTSAX we want to buy. In this example, I'll just do $1. Also, just as a note, because VTSAX is a mutual fund, you can buy partial amounts of it. So in this example, I'm just buying $1 of VTSAX, even though it costs $128 for one share at this time. Once you've confirmed your amount, click continue order. Here, you can choose how you will buy VTSAX. If you have money in your settlement fund already, you can just use that. However, if you don't, you can click this option and select which bank account you would like to pull money from in order to buy VTSAX. Since I have some money in my settlement fund, I would just choose the first option, then click preview order, then click submit order. This is what the confirmation page should look like, and now you have successfully bought VTSAX. That is the end of this video. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content.